Open the magical winter book. Come inside and take a look. Turn the page, the stars will glow. Welcome to a world of snow. In her cozy little room, winter magic starts to bloom. Softly sleeping warm and tight, dreaming through the snowy night. Then she opens up her eyes, sees the snow with sweet surprise. Through the window white and bright, what a lovely winter sight. Pick a coat and woolly hat, cozy scarf to match with that. Gloves and boots are ready too, now she knows just what to do. Open the door and step outside, see the snowy world so wide. Tiny footprints, 1, 2, 3, winter fun for you and me. Here come friends from down the way, smiling, waving, ready to play. Roll the snowballs big and round, push them gently on the ground. Make the body, make the head, add a scarf of shiny red. Carrot nose and buttons too, now our snowman smiles at you. Dance around our snowman friend, winter fun will never end. Wave your hands and shout hooray, what a happy snowy day. Snowflakes sparkle in the sky, friends are laughing side by side. TiniTwin Tales, come and play, join our happy winter fun day. By the window, soft and still, she can see the cloudy hill. Gray clouds gather in the sky, little birds are flying by. Tiny raindrops touch the glass, shining gently as they pass. She holds out her little hand, raindrops fall so soft and grand. To her raincoat she will go, ready for the rain below. Pull the raincoat, wear the hood, rainy weather feels so good. Open up the wooden door, adventure waits outside once more. Down the little village lane, she goes walking through the rain. Rainy day begins with a happy little grin. Rainy day begins, raincoat on she runs. Then her happy friends appear, running close and drawing near. Step together, clap and sway, dancing on this rainy day. Turn around and tap your feet, rainy dancing feels so sweet. Near the hut beside the stream, colored papers brightly gleam. Fold the corners 1 and 2, make a little boat for you. Rainy day begins, paper boats on stream. Paper boats are ready now, place them on the water. Wow! Through the little hut they go, following where the waters flow. On the lake the white swans glide, paper boats float side by side. Round the flowers past the shore, they all smile and watch some more. Gentle water shining bright, makes the little boats feel light. Friends together laugh and see, boats and swans so calm and free. Now the raindrops fade away, golden sunlight warms the day. Clouds grow lighter, up with fun. Choose a color, pink or blue. Here's a water blaster just for you. Tiny drops go splash, splash, splash. Run together, giggle and dash. From the sprinkler, here we go. Shiny little water drops begin to flow. Jump through the sparkle, 1, 2, 3. Cool summer water for you and me. Big beach ball goes up so high, rolling and bouncing beneath the sky. Catch it gently, toss it around. Don't let the colorful ball touch the ground. Bubbles are dancing upon the breeze, floating above the flowers and trees. Chase them softly, pop, pop, pop. Follow the bubbles until they stop. Hey, hey, sunny day. Follow the pathway, come along. Little feet marching to our summer song. Buckets and shovels ready in hand. Let's build something wonderful out of sand. Fill up the bucket, tip it down. Build tall towers all around. Shape every window, doorway and wall. Together we'll make the best castle of all. Our castle's finished strong and tall. We made it together, one and all. Little happy jumps, hip hip hooray. What a wonderful summer day. Step to the left and clap, clap, clap. Step to the right and tap, tap, tap. Turn around gently, hands up high. Dance with your friends beneath the sky. Under the tree where it's cool and sweet, watermelon is our summer treat. Sunshine softly in the sky. Happy summer. Wave goodbye. Wave goodbye. Butterfly, butterfly, bright in the sun. Flap your little wings, let's follow the fun. Over the flowers up in the sky. Show me the garden, sweet butterfly. Bubbles, bubbles are floating, shiny and round. Dancing so softly up from the ground. Reach up high and touch one or two. Springtime bubbles for me and for you. Secret garden, open the gate. What can we see? Flowers are smiling at you and at me. Step through the doorway, come along. Welcome to springtime, happy and strong. Spring, spring, beautiful spring. Listen to the happy birds sing. Flowers and sunshine everywhere. Springtime magic fills the air. Friends, here come my friends with smiles so bright, waving together in golden light. Side by side we laugh and play. What a lovely springtime day. Planting, dig the soil and plant a tree. One for you and one for me. Pour some water, watch it grow. Little green leaves begin to show. Birds, tiny birds are flying around. Some in the trees and some on the ground. Into their houses one by one. Birds are happy in the springtime sun. Dance, step to the left, step to the right. Dance with the birds in the sunshine bright. Clap your hands and move your feet. Springtime dancing feels so sweet. Spring, beautiful spring. Butterflies dance and little birds sing. Friends and flowers everywhere. Springtime magic fills the air. Ending petals are floating soft and slow, making a flower with a magical glow. Wave goodbye, our song will end.
Hi, friends! Thanks for watching! Subscribe to TiniTwin Tales for more magical adventures!